Hello YouTuber and VIEW-MASTER friend, 3D and retro enthusiast. We are very happy that you are here. Please keep your stereo viewer and the VIEW-MASTER 3D reel set ready, which we show here in our video. Even if you don't have this 3D picture set yet, maybe you can just listen to our spoken text and imagine the motifs in your own fantasy world. Now listen to the following audio video while you take your time looking at the 3D images and switching accordingly frame by frame. This is the 3D VIEW-MASTER special subject, Birth of Jesus. Caesar Augustus, Emperor of Rome, decreed that all peoples of the Roman world must register to be taxed. Joseph and Mary journeyed from Nazareth to Bethlehem to register. The city was filled with travelers, and there was no room for them in the inn. They found shelter in a stable. Here Mary brought forth her firstborn son, Jesus. An angel appeared before shepherds who were tending their flocks not far from Bethlehem. And the angel said to them, I bring you tidings of great joy. Unto you is born this day in the city of David a Saviour, Christ the Lord. The shepherds hastened to the city and found Mary and the babe. 3 wise men from the east came to Bethlehem to find the newly born King of the Jews. We have seen his star and have come to worship him, they said. When King Herod heard of this, fearing for his throne, he sought ways to kill the child. VIEW-MASTER Reel 1. Picture 1. Caesar Augustus signed the decree to tax all. Picture 2. Mary and Joseph left Nazareth. Picture 3. They traveled to Bethlehem. Picture 4. And registered for the tax. Picture 5. The innkeeper turned them away. Picture 6. Mary laid her firstborn son in the manger. Picture 7. The shepherds kept watch over their flocks. VIEW-MASTER Reel 2. Picture 8. The glory of the Lord shone on the shepherds. Picture 9. The angel brought them good tidings. Picture 10. They decided to go into Bethlehem to search. Picture 11. They found the babe in a manger. Picture 12. They told how the angel spoke to them. Picture 13. Mary pondered over all these things. Picture 14. The shepherds return glorifying God. VIEW-MASTER Reel 3. Picture 15. The wise men follow the star to Jerusalem. Picture 16. Herod learned of the quest for the king of the Jews. Picture 17. The priests told Herod where Christ was born. Picture 18. Herod sent the wise men to Bethlehem to search. Picture 19. The star in the east led them. Picture 20. They fell down and worshipped the Savior. Picture 21. The wise men gave him precious gifts. We want to add new videos every day, and if you don't want to miss any of them, subscribe to our channel for free.
And press the little bell. We are also happy to have a thumb up.